Hello Divi users, it's Andrew Palmer from Elegant Marketplace. I'm just going to install Divi child theme Brewery Hotel, and I'm going to do it on a staging site which I'm going to set up with 20i, who I am a reseller for, and I'm transferring most of my hosting to these guys because they're just awesome. Okay, end of sales pitch. There's no affiliate links in this video, by the way, so just a complete recommendation of 20i. So let's just set up a hosting account. And as it's staging, I can just call it Brewery, and I can choose Linux Unlimited or WordPress Unlimited. So I tend to install on Linux anyway. I'm just creating that hosting package. Let's search for that one. Manage this system. I'm just going to install WordPress. And obviously it's on staging, so I'm just going to install it on the staging. Put it English United States. Use that strong password. And always discourage search engines from indexing the site. Save that, log in. I can log into that site. I'm going to install Divi straight away. So I'll just add that, upload the theme. I can activate that theme. Now let's go to where the Brewery child theme is, and let's see if we have to unzip it to actually get the child theme in there. No, we don't, so that's easy enough. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload to activate that theme, and there we are. So let's have a look at the settings. So with the Brewery Hotel child theme, it's quite easy. You just go to the dashboard and go Easy Demo Import, and that will import everything just with a one click. And then we go to Pages. We can see that they're all there. And we go to the Posts. We can see that there's a post there as well. So basically, it's all done. So all we need to do is go to the Theme Customizer, go to Homepage Settings, and check that the homepage is the default setting. And there we are. That's the Brewery Hotel child theme, fully installed and working beautifully.